Hi everyone, it's ASKA here. In this video, I'll be showing you how self-nailers can prepare your nails so they stay looking great for a long time. Ever wondered what nail care is and if it's even necessary? Whether you're questioning its importance or already doing it but facing issues with long-lasting results, this video will guide you through the fundamentals of nail care. This is the key to better adhesion and nails that stay looking great for longer. Taking care of your nails might feel like a hassle, but skipping this preparation can lead to gel that peels off easily. This content is designed to be easy to understand, making it suitable for beginners too, so please watch until the end. Okay, let's get started! To start off, I'll give a quick explanation for those wondering what nail care is. In a nutshell, nail care refers to the preparation done before applying gel nails. When doing makeup, you start by cleansing and moisturizing to prepare the skin before applying primer or foundation, right? Just like this preparation helps makeup stay on your skin for longer, preparing your nails prior to applying gel also contributes to longer-lasting results. But as someone doing their own nail, you might have various questions about how to perform that nail care and how far to go with it. I'll be going through this in this video, and we'll introduce nail care methods specifically for self-nailers that you should definitely do. Okay, we'll start by removing the thin skin-like layer at the base of the nails. When you closely examine the base of the nails, you can see a thin white layer sticking to the surface. This is called loose cuticle. This loose cuticle is a thin layer of skin that grows along with the nails, sticking firmly to the base. If you apply a gel without removing this thin layer, the oil from the loose cuticle, such as sebum, can cause the gel to peel off from the base. If you often experience peeling from the base, there's a possibility that you haven't completely removed the loose cuticle. Additionally, the loose cuticle is sometimes translucent and not easily visible. Therefore, even if it seems like there's no loose cuticle at first glance, neglecting its removal may still result in peeling from the base, so make sure to remove it thoroughly each time. Now, let's start by using this cuticle pusher to gently push the skin at the base of the nails. Hold the pusher at a 45-degree angle to the nails and gently push up. This area is like a pocket, so by pushing it up in this way, the loose cuticle hidden under the skin becomes easier to remove. When pushing up, be gentle and align the pusher with the shape of the base. After pushing out about 20 times per finger, switch to a ceramic pusher to gently rub and remove the loose cuticle. The ceramic pusher has a slanted tip, so use this slanted part to apply it to the nails at a 45-degree angle. While applying it at this angle, move it in small circular motions to rub and remove the loose cuticle clinging to the surface of the nails. Insert the slanted tip of a ceramic pusher into the pocket at the base of the nails to remove. Gradually, white debris appears. Even though it may not be visible at first glance, it is often hidden inside the pocket. After gently rubbing and removing all areas where the nails touch the skin, use a brush to sweep away any debris. This completes the removal of the loose cuticle. In nail salons, nail care involves using tools like cuticle nippers, which are scissors-like, to remove the loose cuticle more precisely. However, mastering the use of cuticle nippers requires a significant amount of practice and skill. But for self-nailers, the ceramic pressure is sufficient, so use cuticle nippers only if you want to further improve your skills. Now, let's continue with the preparation for longer-lasting nails. We have focused on removing what we don't need till now. But we will move on to the process of making gel nails last longer. We will use this nail file. There are many types of files, but use one with the fine grit as much as possible. Lightly create scratches on the surface of the nails using this file. This process is called sanding. Apply the file gently with a light touch, moving it in circular motions to create a circular pattern. Creating small scratches on your natural nails allows the gel nails to seep into them, ensuring a strong and secure bond. Be careful not to file too much, as it can harm your natural nails. File with a very light touch to avoid any damage. To achieve this, hold the file gently, avoiding applying excessive force. Once you have lightly filed the natural nails and they become slightly cloudy, you are done. Finally, use ethanol and kitchen paper to remove any oil residue. Just like the skin, the surface of the nails also have a layer of oil called sebum. This oil is the nemesis of gel nails. Even with sanding, if you don't eliminate the oil, the nails might become prone to peeling. Since oil is invisible, it often remains even if you think you've wiped it away. Let's ensure its complete removal using the method I'll be introducing next. Start by saturating a small piece of kitchen paper with plenty of ethanol. Next, use this kitchen paper to rub and wipe the surface of the nails vigorously, removing the majority of residue. Many people tend to stop here. But if you do, you won't effectively remove the residue near the skin. For a clearer understanding, apply some gel and attempt to wipe it off just like you did before. You'll see that there is still residue near the skin like this. Since oil is invisible, it requires careful attention. So after removing the majority, fold the kitchen paper twice and use the folded edge to thoroughly wipe the outer side of the nails. If you've noticed peeling around the nails, it's often because the oil removal process wasn't thorough. Make sure you use this method for comprehensive removal. This completes the nail preparation process. After this, proceed to apply the base gel, color gel, and top gel in that order. How did you find this basic nail care routine for self-nailers? If the base is well prepared, your gel nails should last for a solid 3 weeks. So I hope you'll follow these recommendations next time. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more video like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.